Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. Finding the right skincare to look younger doesn't require magical options or a trip to the drugstores. You can get younger looking skin by using some basic ingredients from your kitchen and making a few small changes to your daily routine. One thing that we cannot change is the natural aging process. It plays a key role. With time, we all get visible lines on our face. It's natural for our face to lose some of its youthful fullness. We notice our skin becoming thinner and drier. Our genes largely control when these changes occur. The medical terms for the type of aging is intrinsic aging. We can influence another type of aging that affects our skin, our environment, and lifestyle choices can cause our skin to age prematurely. The medical term for this type of aging is extrinsic aging. By taking some preventive actions, we can slow the effects that this type of aging has on our skin. Aspirin mask for wrinkles. We will need 8 to 10 aspirin tablets, water or rose water. What we have to do: crush the aspirin tablets and enough water to make a paste. After making paste, now the next turn is how to apply it. Apply this on face and let it set. Sit for 15 minutes. After that, rinse with water and pat dry. How often we should do this? You can do this 2 times a week. How this work? Aspirin is composed of acetylic acid, which unclog pores and also shrink them. This chemical process exfoliating properties as well. With regular application, it exerts anti-aging effects on the skin by reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Caution: if you have dry skin, this remedy can dehydrate your skin further. Moisturize your skin well after each application to avoid any dry patches. Next, tomato mask for wrinkles. Tomato mask to get wrinkle-free skin. We will need 1 small ripe tomato, 2 tablespoons of sea salt, and aloe vera gel. What you have to do: cut the tomato in half and dip the inner half in sea salt. Scrub your face with this for a minute or so. Leave the tomato pulp that has oozed out onto your skin for 5 minutes. After that, rinse with water. You can also include tomato paste in your diet for better results. And the second one is, take a half tomato, the next half tomato, and grind 1 tablespoon of sugar and dip the half cut tomato into the grind sugar and then apply it on your skin, and by rubbing, rinsing 5 minutes by doing this scrubbing. After that, apply on the without washing face, apply aloe vera gel upon it and then massage for 5 minutes. After that, you have to wash your face with liquid warm water, and as your face is dry, you can now apply aloe vera gel for soften and glowing skin. By doing these 2 steps of tomato, you will feel the best results because your skin will be tightened and lightened too. I hope these remedies are helpful for you. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.